Another broken part is another broken heart. Don't be sad. With the Vicrez Plastic Repair Kit, that's just a thing of the past. The Vicrez Plastic Repair Kit can be used for all kinds of plastic repairs, such as this damaged front bumper that you see here, and pretty much any surface that you would like to create a literally permanent bond on. This bumper was repaired using only the Vicrez Plastic Repair Kit. It is flexible, making it useful in repairing items that need a little TLC, yet still rigid enough to provide a permanent bond with long-lasting endurance. You can also use it as a gap filler for small parts that have broken off. This adhesive will fill and bond virtually any surface together permanently. From DIY to professional auto shops, you will find many uses for this adhesive, including but not limited to bonding small parts, rebuilding cracked areas, and other components. So it's time to say goodbye to broken parts and only work on our broken hearts. Have no fear, the Vicrez Plastic Repair Kit is here. Stop overpaying for expensive repairs. Click the link below because we care.